Today, I want to share an inspiring story about a man who stands tall in the face of adversity. Nelson a prominent Zimbabwean opposition leader, recently condemned the brutal assault on Ugandan opposition figure Bobi Wine. This attack, allegedly carried out by government operatives, was a stark reminder of the challenges faced by those fighting for political change in Africa. Chamisa has made it clear, violence has no place in politics. He emphasized that political change should be achieved through peaceful, non-violent means. He expressed his relief at Bobi Wine's recovery and praised his unwavering determination in the face of such aggression. Chamisa's message is clear. African politics must be driven by principles, aspirations, and a genuine commitment to serving the people. Chamisa's call for a shift towards a new political landscape is more relevant now than ever. He envisions a future where open dialogue, mutual respect, and a departure from hostility are the norm. His condemnation of the attack on Bobi Wine highlights his unwavering belief in peaceful political engagement. He stands in solidarity with Bobi Wine and others across Africa who are fighting for freedom and justice through non-violent means. Despite facing significant obstacles, including government crackdowns and the banning of numerous rallies, Chamisa remains undeterred. He recently launched his election campaign, addressing a large and enthusiastic crowd in Gweru. Chamisa made a powerful commitment to tackle corruption and end the exploitation of Zimbabwe's valuable mineral resources for personal gain. His determination to campaign despite facing suppression reflects his unwavering commitment to democracy. Chamisa's message resonates with many Zimbabweans who are yearning for a brighter future, free from corruption and oppression. His campaign speeches often highlight the need for a new era in Zimbabwean politics, one that prioritizes the needs of the people and upholds democratic values. Chamisa's call for change has garnered significant support, particularly among young people who see him as a symbol of hope and a departure from the old guard of politicians. However, the road ahead for Chamisa and his supporters remains challenging. The upcoming elections are expected to be tightly contested, and the incumbent government, with its control over state apparatus, possesses a significant advantage. Despite these challenges, Chamisa remains determined to fight for a better Zimbabwe. In his own words, our politics should be driven by values, aspirations, and a genuine commitment to serving the people. For too long, Africa has been plagued by adversarial and corrosive politics. The Next Africa generation dares to be different. We stand for a new politics where guns are silenced and dialogue, respect, and the will of the people take center stage. Nelson Chamisa's courage and determination inspire us all. His commitment to peaceful political change and his vision for a better future for Zimbabwe and the African continent are truly commendable. Let's stand with him in his fight for democracy and a brighter future. Thanks for watching, and remember, change begins with each one of us. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay hopeful and keep striving for a better world. Until next time.